Alright guys, just set up my tent, it's all done. It's time to start fishing. Nothing smells better than that fresh Canadian air. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel. I'm back up here at the cottage. I'm in Canada. I'm on Bob's Lake. Last time I came up here was Memorial Day weekend. I'm about to do some fishing for you guys. And I'm just excited, you know, I'm excited to be back out here. So yeah, that's gonna be the deal today. This evening, I just got here. Gonna have a weekend full of fishing for you guys, but you know what? Let's just start fishing. Let's get after it. Stay tuned. There's a fish. Yeah, finally. Oh. Little Canadian brute. That'll definitely scare the fish away. First fish of the weekend. It's about time. Little Canadian brute. Go get bigger. Alright, so one last hurrah. I'm going to try something different. I've been using the bandito bug, but now I'm going to try this trench hog. And I'm going to just swim it like I have been the bandito bug, and I'm going to see if it'll get me anything good. Hopefully it'll change my luck, because I've been having crap luck. What the hell happened here? There's a fish. Yep. Oh. I don't know if it ran me into a log or what. I think it ran me into a log. I had to break it off. That's annoying. Oh. Alright, well, guys, that was not at all what I expected. You know, I came out here. I was gonna fish shallow on the bank, largemouth, but obviously either they weren't biting or I wasn't fishing in the right spots. I don't know. But I'm not too happy about it right now, so I'm just going to keep this short. Tomorrow I'm going to be going lake trout fishing. I probably won't videotape for you guys because it's kind of boring. We're just going to be vertical jigging for a couple hours. It can get very tedious if the trout or whitefish aren't biting. But I'm going to give that shot early tomorrow morning with my dad and my grandpa and my uncle. See how that goes. But yeah, not too pleased with tonight. Only caught one fish, but hey, I mean, that's just real life. Sometimes you're not gonna slam them every single night or every time that you go out. So keep it real with you guys. Just got one tonight, but hey, that one did make my night, because if I came out here skunked, I would not have been happy. But yeah, time to go in and get some food and go to bed. Stay tuned. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you aren't, but you find yourself continuously watching my videos, then hey, why don't you just do yourself a favor and myself a favor and just hit that subscribe button. Time to go in and get some food and eventually go to bed. We got to get ready for tomorrow. Big day. Stay tuned.